2104 that's located in 3000 building, Williams Island. Let's take a look here.
Square footage wise,
they need to do a full renovation. It's a 1,670 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths.
1610.
Let's take a look in the view. That's the best of this unit's view. We need to put at least $150,000 in renovation. We sell it for around 600,000, but this view is unbelievable, beautiful. The balcony is a good size, as you can see here. You have ocean view, intracoastal view, bay view. That's the privé over there. In the 3000s, a very nice building, Williams Island, some of the best amenities in South Florida. Let's see the rest of the apartment. Okay, that's the kitchen.
I like that view.
Yeah.
That's a nice view.
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah,
nice
the
view.
north is better than the south.
Yeah.
This
view
is
is nicer.
this is a
East, northeast.
north.
This view is nicer.
This one's a northeast view.
Okay, and this one's supposed to be the master suite. Like I said, they need to do a full renovation.
There's no reason to drop the pants in. This island.
They have huge closets.
This would have sold in 2 seconds, except for the fact that it's a tear down. If it was just original and clean,
Yes.
you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
for sure.
But you have to do work.
Okay,
You have to be willing to go through the process.
Yeah.
Or
and they have the second bedroom here.
I mean, this floor is savable.
through it all.
Yeah, the floor savable, you know, but you're gonna have to do a bunch. What's the high end of your price range?